Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2013 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number Z8394XX. Only 51,000 miles, and this Malibu comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black granite metallic in color. Malibu is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Within the midsize car class, seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. And a large glove box with manual inside. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder, 197 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Malibu, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.